Tired of painting projects taking forever? Struggling with uneven coats and messy brushes? Wasting weekends on slow, tedious painting? Frustrated by streaks and drips on your walls? Wish you could paint faster and cleaner? Traditional rollers just aren't cutting it anymore. Getting paint everywhere except where you want it. Hard to reach high spots without a ladder? Switching between buckets and trays slows you down. Sore arms from endless rolling and brushing? Dreaming of a smoother, more professional finish? Meet the Graco Magnum X5 airless paint sprayer. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Designed for DIY homeowners and remodelers. Powerful enough for small to mid-size projects. Tackle decks, fences, siding, even small homes. Includes everything you need for fast setup. SG2 metal spray gun for precise control. RAC4 515 switch tip for versatile spraying. 25 Fert. Duraflex hose reaches tough spots easily. Pump armor fluid keeps your sprayer protected. Quick startup guide for easy first use. Operation manual for step-by-step instructions. Spray directly from 1 or 5 gallon paint buckets. No messy trays, no constant refilling. Fully adjustable pressure for perfect coverage. Spray paints or stains unthinned at any pressure. Supports up to 75 feet of hose for mobility. Reach peaks and second stories without hassle. Ideal for projects up to 10 gallons in size. Handle multiple projects every year with ease. Let's compare before and after using Magnum X5. Before, slow, uneven painting with brushes. After, fast, professional quality finish every time. Before, streaks and drips ruin your hard work. After, smooth, flawless coverage in minutes. Before, struggling to reach high spots. After, effortlessly spray peaks and second stories. Before, constantly refilling paint trays. After, spray directly from large buckets. Before, wasting paint and making a mess. After, clean, efficient spraying with less waste. Before, sore arms and tired hands. After, comfortable grip, less fatigue. Before, hours spent prepping and cleaning. After, quick setup, easy cleanup. Before, inconsistent results, project after project. After, reliable, professional results every time. Magnum X5 makes painting fast and frustration-free. Take control of your home improvement projects. Save time and energy for what matters most. Get the power and mobility you need. Paint indoors or outdoors with confidence. Perfect for decks, fences, siding, and more. No more waiting for perfect weather. No more hiring expensive professionals. Transform your space with ease and speed. Achieve a flawless, professional finish yourself. Adjust pressure for any paint or stain. Spray unthinned materials with full control. Reach every corner, peak, and story. Spray directly from your paint bucket. Enjoy less mess and more convenience. All accessories included for a smooth start. Easy to use even for beginners. Make every project faster and easier. Upgrade your painting experience today. Stop struggling. Start spraying with Magnum X5. Ready to tackle your next big project? Choose Graco Magnum X5 for speed and finesse. Click now to get yours and paint like a pro. Transform your home, save time, and enjoy the results. Graco Magnum X5, your new painting partner. Don't wait. Make painting simple and satisfying. Order now and experience the difference. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Graco Magnum X5. Power, mobility, and professional results. Your projects deserve the best. Choose Magnum X5. Paint smarter, not harder. Get started today. Graco Magnum X5 awaits.